Smile, make them think you're happy. Lie and say that things are fine. And hide that empty longing that you feel. Don't ever show it. Just keep your heart concealed. Why are the days so lonely? I wonder where can the heart go free? And who will dry the tears that no one sees? There must be